Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are with this study of GPS and its accessories. So what happened actually? Uh, so the latitude, longitude, and altitude, these three coordinates we are finding by using this GPS technology. So trial iteration. The principle is trial iteration. It means there are so many satellites we have uh, we have supplied or provided in the space. In this space we have provided satellites. Those satellites are given the information related to our position. So we are on the earth. So on the earth, whatever our location is there, if we use the GPS device, we will get the our coordinate, that is means latitude, longitude, and altitude. So these three coordinates we will get on, and we will get the our position. So for only one position, these three coordinates are there, and that coordinates are in degree, minutes, and second. It means 36 degree, 45 second, and 45 minutes, 20 second, like this. Because the Earth is circular, so we will get the coordinates in the uh, degree. So the trial iteration, it means, so for getting the our location, आपलं जर लोकेशन अर्थवरती आपल्याला जर जीपीएस डिव्हाइस यूज करून फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल, सो फॉर दॅट वी हॅव टू रिक्वायर्ड मिनिमम 4 सॅटेलाइट सिग्नल्स. सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम 4 सॅटेलाइट्स, 4 सॅटेलाइट मधून आपल्याला मिनिमम सिग्नल्स मिळाले पाहिजेत, तेव्हाच आपल्याला आपल्या लोकेशन चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिळतील. So 4 satellites. So there are 20 to 32 satellites are there for the GPS location. So for this GPS technology, for this system, there are 20 from the 24 to 30 satellites there. But from this 24 to 30, we required only minimum 4 satellites to give our position, means to give the coordinates. So these 4 satellites are required, minimum 4 satellite is required. This is nothing but the trial iteration. So which literally means positioning from the 3 distances, from their different 3 distances we will get our distance. So global positioning system device uses from satellite to locate specific point on the earth in a process called as trial iteration. So here written, as I told you, so GPS device use satellite to locate specific point or specific location on the earth in a process of trial iteration. It means the signals from different satellites taken by the device, and it will give the our location. So that is the trial iteration. So to trial iterate, a GPS receiver measures the distance to satellite by using radio signal. So similar to radio signals, we are getting the signals from the satellites, and that satellites give the signals, and we will get the our position. It means longitude, latitude, and altitude of that particular location. So by using this experiment or this device, we can calculate the our position. So this experiment is useful to study the GPS and its accessories. Okay. So now, so here theoretical talk is given in this virtual lab experiment. So principle of this device or GPS is, GPS observations are based on the basic principle of trial iteration. As I told you, trial iteration, it means the signals required from minimum 3 to 4 directions. Then we can find the our position. So the equipments used, what equipments used? It means basic one equipment we are using, but there are different connections are there. So for this, so the equipments are receiver. It means, you know, now you are the electronics people. So receivers means our antenna. Have you seen our TV antenna? Means we are pressing our remote, and just within the fraction of second, if we press the button of TV remote, we will get means channel will be म्हणजे आपण आपल्याला चॅनल हा दुसरा चॅनल लगेच डिस्प्ले होतो. So the reason behind this, within the microsecond you will get the signals from the antenna, the antenna which is provided or above the our home. आपल्या घरावरती किंवा आपल्या घराच्या बाजूला जो आपण अँटेना प्रोव्हाइड केलेला आहे, that antenna is receiving the signal from the satellites and giving the information to us. So that type of receiver is there. Then controller, battery power device, and tripod stand. So on which here shown here, on which the your GPS device is located. The GPS device is located on the tripod stand, then battery is required, then controlling system is required, and receiver is required. So in this way we can receive the signals. Then objective, what is objective of this particular experiment? The objective of this experiment is study of global positioning system and its accessories to find out the location of various points. On the earth, there are so many locations are there, so we can find the each and every point location by using the GPS device. But for this location, we have to require the GPS. So the one of the example we can take, if you are going for tracking purpose in the jungle area, you are visiting or you are going to tracking purpose in the jungle area, and some of the your friends were missed from your team. So how you can find? If everyone or each one having GPS device, you can find each other. आपल्या मिलिटरी मध्ये सुद्धा जीपीएस डिव्हाइस वरून एका टीम पासून दुसऱ्या टीमचं संरक्षण करता येते. सो जीपीएस डिव्हाइस वरून आपल्याला हे कळतं की दुसरी टीम किंवा दुसरी तुकडी आपण म्हणतो मिलिटरी मध्ये, ती आपल्यापासून किती डिस्टन्स वरती आहे. सो इन दिस वे, इफ जीपीएस डिव्हाइस विथ you can find the another your friend location or another device location by tracking. So for tracking purpose, there are so many applications using by the GPS device. So tracking purpose, navigation purpose. So in our mobile, so navigation route is there, Google Map is there. On the Google Map, if we are driving the car, you can track the path from, if we have to go from the Pandharpur to Solapur, so you can track the path and you can start driving from the tracked path. So this is the GPS technology. So many applications we can use. This is the advanced technology we can use by the GPS. Then so whether the screen is visible now? Okay, so virtually we can learn this experiment now. So here you can see the objective. The objective of this experiment is to find the location. To find the location of planimetric coordinator and elevation of the various points using GPS. So by using GPS, the various coordinates is nothing but latitude, longitude, and altitude. म्हणजेच नॉर्थ पासून आपलं डिस्टन्स, ईस्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर पासून, ईस्ट पोल पासून आपलं डिस्टन्स, आणि समुद्र सपाटीपासून उंची. So these three coordinates or three things we will get by using the GPS. So then GPS equipment, how looks? This is the handheld GPS. Handheld means we can use this GPS by in our hand. We can operate by hand. Here some buttons are given: escape button, in, out button, navigation button. So some of the buttons are given. So like mobile we can use. And if you see on the screen, everyone please see on the screen, there is given longitude, latitude, and altitude. Altitude, it means elevation. If you see this on the screen of this device, longitude is given, just north coordinate given. Latitude is given, it means east coordinates. 77 degree, 53 minutes and 35 seconds. Similarly, latitude 29 degree, 51 minutes and 17 seconds east. It means from east and from north, we will get our location. And elevation is written. It means altitude. Means from Karachi sea level, समुद्र सपाटीपासून आपण 300 मीटर उंचीवर आहोत. So in this way, this device indicate or give our information. So this is the hand-ended GPS. Now next, what is the procedure? Here written procedure, how to carry out this experiment in 3D environment on the computer system. So the steps involved. First step, click on working of instrument. Click on working of instrument. To start the experiment in a virtual 3D environment, we get whole 3D and realistic environment. So as soon realistic environment which is user friendly as soon as experiment starts. So for the start the experiment, we have to click on the working of instrument. Then in the next step, click right mouse button. So there is one button is there, right mouse, to shift or fix GPS. Then press P to show hide GPS. It means whatever similar to our mobile. So on the mobile there is one tab is there, menu tab. If we click on the menu tab, so many apps will open. Similarly, if we press on this particular P, so there are so many applications app will be open by using pressing button P. Similar to mobile, this device is there. Then steps for movement of 3D environment by using W is we have to use for forward, S is used for backward, A is left and D is right. Means joystick. You have seen joystick mobile. म्हणजे left, right ला आणि वरती खाली आपण move करू शकतो joystick. Similar to joystick is there. So we have to go back. We have to move left side, then forward side, backward side, up side, down side. So by using the joystick, we can movement of apps or we can select any tab or any app. Then step 4, click on power button. So if we on the power button on the device to turn on the GPS. म्हणजे आता आपण पाहिलेले ते काय buttons पाहिले फक्त. In the 4th step, we have started the device. It means click on power button on the device to turn on the GPS. So if we click on power, then we can start the device. Then press enter button to proceed. And if you after the pressing the power button, your device will be open. After opening the device, you have to press the enter button so that you can proceed for the next observation. So here, so if you see now in the screen, so detecting satellites. If we start and enter the forward, then what will happen? Then here signals are detected. It means how many signals are in the range from your location. तुम्ही ज्या ठिकाणी उभा आहात त्या लोकेशनला तुम्हाला किती सॅटेलाइट्स सिग्नल पोहोचवू शकतात त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी रेंज येते. So in our mobile also, have you seen if you are near to tower, full 4-5 ज्या काय आपल्या कॅन्डल्स असतात त्या फुल दिसतात ज्यावेळी तुम्ही टॉवरच्या जवळ असाल. If you are not in coverage area, there may be 1 candle is there, 2 candles are there. It means less range. Similar to mobile is there. So if your device is near to the frequency of satellite, you will get the signals. So here they have given red indicate here 4 satellites they have, and the 4 satellites are in range. So out of 24 to 30, so there are 24 satellites in this space. आपण स्पेस मध्ये 24 सॅटेलाइट आतापर्यंत सोडलेले आहेत की जे जीपीएस वरती वर्क करतात. सो दॅट 24 सॅटेलाइट्स, out of that 24 we have to require minimum 4 satellites for the giving the signals to the user. User means we all peoples. तुम्ही मी कोणी user असू शकतो की जो स्वतःची पोझिशन फाइंड आउट करतो by using this particular device. So this is the GPS device. So here signals we can satellite signals are detected here. Then after pressing enter, it automatically receives the signals from the satellites. If we press this enter button, we will receive the signals from the satellites, and signals from minimum 4 satellites are required to get accurate results. See, as I told you here written, signals from minimum 4 satellites are required to get accurate results. Then press OK to proceed. If we got the result from 4 satellites, then we have to press OK button. Step 5, hold the GPS at a point whose coordinates are to be detected with the help of ASDW. It means forward, backward, upward, and downside. We have to now save these coordinates. So in the step 6, click on in button for observations. It will show the latitude, longitude, and elevation on the screen of GPS. It also shows on the object of the box. It means if we got our location, it means we got the latitude, longitude, and elevation. So in this way, if you see on the screen, we can see the latitude, longitude, and altitude. Then in the step number 7, the enter object ID for the point in the object ID box and click go to button to store the reading in the database. If we have to save these readings of particular location, we have to click on the go to button. Then we can save our calculated reading of particular location. Then here screen is displayed. On the screen here they have given, are you really want to save the readings? So whatever reading comes on this particular screen, that's reading if we have to save, then we have to click on the OK button, and if we click on the OK button, there may be go to button, then we can save the reading, and this screen is displayed. Are you sure want to save? So we have to click on this OK button, then we can save the reading. Then next step is the step number 8. You can walk through the field on the different location by using this ASDF on the computer keyboard, and we can find the latitude, longitude, and elevation of various points. If our ground is there, half-acre land is there, and we have to find the coordinates of each corner. प्रत्येक कॉर्नरच्या आपल्या अर्धा किंवा 1 एकर जमीन आहे आणि त्याच्या आपल्याला प्रत्येक कॉर्नरचे जर coordinates find out करायचे असतील तर we have to walk on this particular point and we have to click by standing on the location, and we have to save the coordinates. So in the step number 9, store the readings as given in the step number 7. So step number 7 मध्ये जसे reading save करायला सांगितले, with that we can find the locations of various points on the ground, and you can save the readings. And step number 10, click on escape button to exit screen. A message will be displayed that reading successfully saved in the database. If you press escape button, then message will be shown you that is the readings are successfully saved. So in this way we can find our location by using this particular device. So again, in step number 7, is click on the NAV button to navigate. So another application is to navigate, means where we have to go, as a navigation app is in our mobile also. So in this way we can use the navigation also. So then again in step number 12, press P to turn off the GPS. So P button is there. If we press P for turn on the GPS, and if we press P again, then turn off the GPS. So in this way we can use the GPS for the various applications. So applications are navigation, tracking your own location, then military use, then surveying purpose, then agricultural purpose. So many applications are there. So majority in the field of civil engineering. So this is the advanced technology. So many applications we can use in the field of civil engineering. And very important part is this is made and made by the you people, electronics people, for us. Okay, so this is the study. This is the experiment study of GPS and its accessories for getting the information on the globe. Okay, so we will stop here today. This is the second experiment we have seen. So we will see next experiment in the next practical.